Good morning, students of class 7. Previous class, chapter 7, we have started. Exercise 7A completed. Today, we are starting exercise 7B. Here are some problem sums are there that we will solve. Linear equation in one variable, that using that problem sums you have already done in class 6. 1, 2, 3, these are very easy sums. So, from question number 4, I have solved. So question number 4, what is the question? A number when added to its half gives 72. Find the number. So always when you have to find the number, you have to take the number as x. Now x is added to its half. That means to its half means half of x. That means with x by 2 you have to add with x. So what we will write, let the number be x, and according to the question the number is adding with its half. That means half of x, that means x by 2, with that we are adding. So x plus x by 2, what it gives, 72. That means equal to 72. That will be the equation, and after making the equation just you have to solve the equation and you have to find the value of x. So x plus x by 2 means x by 1, nothing means. Then we have to do the LCM. So it's coming 2x plus x by 2 equal to 72. 3x by 2 equal to 72. So x equal to 72, and 3 by 2 will go on the right side. So numerator and denominator will change. So it will come 2 by 3. Cancellation. After doing cancellation, x equal to 48. That means the number will be 48. That will be the answer. Next, question number 4 and 5, same types of sum. Question number 6 I have done. A number when multiplied by 4 exceeds itself. That means itself means the number, that one exceeds itself by 45. Find the number. So the number first we will take as x, and when the number is multiplied by 4, that means 4x, that number exceeds the number itself. That means 4x will be greater than the number x by how much? 45. That means difference of 4x and x will be 45. Exceeds itself means 4x will be greater than the number itself, x. So here hints I have given. So what you will write, let the number be x, and according to the question what will be the equation? 4x minus x equal to 45. That will be the equation. So after solving this you will find the value of x. That will be the answer. So only hints I have given, I have not solved. Question number 7. Question number 7, it is given that a number is as much greater than 21 as it is less than 71. Find the number. So let the number be x, you have to take. Now x is greater than 21. How much it is greater than 21? The same, it will be less than 71. That means difference of x and 21 and difference of x and 71 both will be same. So here we can write, let the number be x. Now in your question it is given the number is greater than 21. How much it is greater than 21? How we will get? By doing the difference. That means x minus 21, that will be the difference, and it will be same as, it will be how much? It will be less than 71. So x is less than 71. So difference how we will get? 71 is larger. That means the difference, what we will write? 71 minus x, both will be equal. So according to the question what we can write? X minus 21 equal to 71 minus x. These same types of sum you have done in class 6 also. So now all the x we will take on the left side, and 71 minus 21 will be plus 21. So it's coming 2x equal to 92, x equal to 46. So the number will be 46. Then question number 8 I have solved. 8 hints I have given. Just see that, very simple sum. 2/3 of a number is less than the original number by 20. Find the number. So let the number be x, we can take. That means original number will be x, and 2/3 of the number. 2/3 of the number means 2x by 3. 2/3 of x, that means 2x by 3. 2x by 3 is less than x by how much? 20. That means difference of x and 2x by 3 will be 20. So according to the question, hints I have given, let the number be x, you will write, and then hints will be what? X minus, that means this is the equation I have written x minus 2 by 3 of x equal to 20. Just you have to solve it and you have to find the value of x. In your classwork copy, you will just write hints, and in your practice copy, you will solve it. Okay. Now, question number 10. Question number 10 is 2/3 of a number is greater than 1/3 of a number by 3. Find the number. So let the number be x, we have to take. Now 2/3 of the number means 2 by 3 of x, that means 2x by 3, which will be greater than 1/3 of the number, that means 1 by 3 of x, that means x by 3. So 2x by 3 is greater than x by 3 by how much? 3. That means difference of that two numbers will be 3. So how we will solve? Let the number be x. According to the question, what we have to write? 2/3 of x, it will be greater than 1/3 of x. That means difference of these two numbers, it is greater and it is smaller. So this minus this, difference of these two number is 3. Then we have to do the LCM and we have to find the value of x. So the number will be 9. That will be the answer. And question number 9, I am just giving the hint. See that a number is 2 by 5 times another number. If their sum is 70, find the numbers. So number you have to take as x, and from another number, the number will be 2 by 5 times the another number. So if you will take the another number as x, the number will be 2x by 5 and their sum is coming 70. That means x plus 2 by 5x equal to 70. That will be the equation you have to solve. You have to find the value of x. Then you will find the numbers. That means you have to find the value of x and 255 of x. Both the numbers you have to find. So after getting the value of x, you have to put in 2 by 5 of x. Then you will get the two numbers.